What's up, lovely people? This is NI John. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I make video about my passions, and my passions are about motorcycles, cars, and traveling. So my channel is all about this. So today's video is about dash cam. So people who are having car, it is strongly recommend that you install a dash cam, which helps you in various situation. So because if you see on the internet, there are so many incidents happen on the road where dash cam becomes very handy. So it is very much recommended, and many of my friends are recently buying dash cam and having some common doubts like installation, how to install and all this. So I thought, okay, I'll make a quick video which might be helpful for the car community. So keep watching and let me show you the dash cam I am using. So and you see whichever makes sense to you. Buy a correct dash cam which fits in your budget, but have one. This is very, very important. Keep watching. So guys, for my Nexon, I am using 70 Mi Pro Plus A500s Dashcam. This is 2.7K quality. If you want 4K quality, there is A500 series is there, you can buy for that. But let me just quickly show you how it has been installed. See, for me, I was very particular that even before taking delivery, I need dashcam. So I purchased the dashcam before 1 month of car delivery. Then I gave the dashcam to Tata showroom guy, and I told that immediately at the time of delivery I want the cam to be installed. So yeah, they said that, sir, you have to take the car delivery fast and just finish the delivery formalities, and on spot at the showroom itself we will get our mechanic and he will install it. So yes, I was happy the way the installation has been done, and this Nexon has socket at the back side which was easy to install the dash cam. So let me show. This is the front cam. You can see here these two cables. One is connecting with the rear camera and one is front camera, the power cables. And yeah, the installation at a correct place at the center position, so it is view is perfect. So let me show you. See that where from here it went through this panel, and this from this A pillar through inside he has pulled the wire which is not visible, and I am absolutely happy the way the installation has been done. So let me just show you how it is pulled from the back side. You see here, Nexon's the best part is Nexon has this backside on power socket. So from here the entire camera is getting power. So the front and rear camera is getting power from this socket itself. So when you get the dash cam, you just notice one thing. There is you will get this charging port, and here one is red, one is black. So you should use the red one. That gives the maximum output. So yeah, using the same, and let me just show you the cable part. See the rear, through all this pillar the wire has come, and you see here through this panel the wire has been pulled and it is connected here, the rear camera. Alright, so the wire has been done properly, and through this the wire has pulled. You see, initially thought I will do by myself, but then I feel that good that I went with them. Though 500-600 bucks extra I had to pay, but that's fine because they are expert about all this. They have the correct tool, so they know their work. So I got this done through them, and yeah, this is how the installation was done on Nexon. So if you have a car and don't have a dashcam yet, it is strongly recommend that you get the dashcam installed. This will save you at many situations. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope this small video was helpful for you. And if you are watching this video first time, and if you are first time on my channel, please do consider subscribing. That motivates me to come up with more videos. So see you in the next video. Keep watching.